Have you ever wondered what life will be like in the year 2050? As we stand on the cusp of a new era, where technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's only natural to ponder the possibilities that lie ahead. Join me on this captivating journey as we explore a world transformed by innovation, where dreams once thought to be mere fantasy have become everyday realities. Our odyssey into the future begins with nanotechnology, a realm where science fiction meets tangible progress. Over the years, scientists have unraveled the mysteries of the nanoscale, opening doors to limitless applications. But where will these infinitesimal marvels take us? Imagine nanobots seamlessly integrated into our brains, connecting us to the virtual world with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Through brain-computer interfaces, the boundaries between mind and machine soften, empowering us with access to boundless information and solutions. The age-old struggle with math, soon to be a relic of the past. As nanotechnology propels us forward, even the most complex problems will become mere child's play. Stepping from the minuscule to the tangible, we encounter the boundless realm of 3D printing. Already impressive, this technology's true potential will be unleashed by 2050. Presently, we marvel at 3D printed tools and even 3D printed components for aircrafts, but the future holds even grander promises. Envision printing, not just tools, but entire modes of transportation. From furniture to food, the possibilities are infinite. Imagine a 3D printer being able to print your breakfast on demand. This raises the question, could a humble 3D printer one day eradicate world hunger? The prospect is tantalizing, offering hope for a brighter, sustainable future. Venturing into the medical realm, we confront the bold idea of transcending mortality itself. By 2050, the very concept of death may be rewritten. Picture a world where our minds are connected to computers through brain-computer interface technology, BCI, allowing the transfer of our memories and consciousness into digital files. This data could be transferred into advanced humanoid robots, ensuring that the brilliance of our greatest minds endures, driving innovation for generations. However, this path to immortality comes at a cost, with life-saving technologies initially accessible only to the privileged few. Swiftly moving on, self-driving cars, once a realm of science fiction, are rapidly becoming a tangible reality. The horizon of 2050 holds a vision of urban streets flowing smoothly, with vehicles navigating autonomously, significantly reducing traffic-related accidents and congestion. Picture a world where your daily commute becomes a relaxing experience, allowing you to catch up on work, connect with loved ones, or simply unwind. And that's not all. The era of electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles is set to flourish, eliminating harmful emissions and pushing us closer to a greener, more sustainable future. The winds of change are blowing through the world of energy. Fueled by the urgency of climate change, renewable energy takes center stage. Our dependence on fossil fuels will wane as technology harnesses the Earth's elements, wind, solar, and thermal energy. Blue Rise, a pioneer in ocean thermal energy conversion, stands at the forefront of this movement, working to sever our ties with carbon-emitting fuels. As the world embraces sustainable energy solutions, we inch closer to a greener tomorrow. Turning our gaze skyward, we peer into the infinite possibilities of space exploration. With companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the charge, humanity is on the brink of conquering new frontiers. Colonies on distant planets, once the stuff of science fiction, are becoming plausible. By 2050, space tourism could open the cosmos to those with the means to embark on interstellar vacations. Imagine savoring the splendors of Mars or the Moon as holiday destinations. Humanity's cosmic destiny is fast approaching, but we also need to prepare for an AI revolution that will redefine the very fabric of our society. As artificial intelligence evolves, a future where AI surpasses human cognitive capacity looms on the horizon. Though concerns of a robo-apocalypse persist, experts remain optimistic that our values will guide AI's development. The workforce will undergo a seismic shift, with AI machines and robots assuming roles previously held by humans. While the prospect of change is both exciting and daunting, our evolution into an interconnected, data-driven world is inevitable. As the job market transforms, education follows suit. Digital learning has already gained traction, and by 2050, fully digital schools will be the norm. Tablets and laptops will replace textbooks, ushering in an era of globalized education. Online degrees, potentially facilitated by AI-powered robots, promise greater accessibility and quality instruction. Imagine a future where learning is not confined by borders, opening doors to knowledge for all. But the biggest of all changes, the metaverse, a virtual realm where reality and imagination converge. The metaverse offers a tantalizing fusion of virtual reality and artificial intelligence, enabling immersive interaction with others. Shopping, travel, and experiences can be accessed from the comfort of your own home. A family vacation to your dream destination, experienced virtually, blurs the line between the real and the simulated. As we journey further into the metaverse, our sense of connection grows, even as physical distance remains. In the financial arena, the winds of change are sweeping away the age-old reign of cash. Virtual transactions will become the norm, driven by AI and decentralized finance. Our homes may even take charge of shopping, with automated pantries and refrigerators seamlessly ordering groceries. Traditional currency will fade, making room for innovative modes of financial interaction that redefine how we perceive money. Our journey concludes in the home of the future, a haven of automation and AI integration. Smart homes will become our companions, intuitively sensing our needs and desires. Interactive hologram televisions, activated by thought alone, will become our window to entertainment and information. The mundane chore of searching for remote controls will become a relic, replaced by seamless mind-to-machine interaction. Nanotechnology, as envisioned earlier, solidifies the bond between humanity and technology. As we reflect on this exhilarating voyage through time, one truth emerges. The world of 2050 is both extraordinary and within reach. While not every prediction will manifest, the seeds of these innovations are already planted, germinating in the fertile soil of human ingenuity. The future beckons us with boundless promise, a testament to our unwavering pursuit of progress. With that said, thanks for joining me on this exhilarating exploration. And until next time, keep your gaze fixed on the horizon of tomorrow.